in this country, and it's unfortunate that the publicity has been such that people hesitate to come here.
There hasn't been a violent crime here in years. Even stealing is virtually unheard of. In fact, a recent study by the United Nations reported Haiti to be one of the safest countries in the world. The only money you may find taken from you is here, at one of the casinos. But then you do have a chance to get it back, and then some.
I've won about $25.
I've gambled in many other countries, and I'm really enjoying it here in Haiti.
No matter how you do at the gambling tables, when it comes to sun and sand, you'll be dealt a winning hand. If you like crowded, noisy, hard-to-get-to beaches, you won't like Haiti. But if you want unspoiled, almost deserted beaches that are close at hand, you'll love Haiti. It won't take you long to realize that there is no typical Haitian beach. Each has a personality all its own. To the north is the Riviera of Haiti. It's perfect for swimming, sailing, snorkeling, or just plain relaxing. If you want a more active vacation, you might want to try the Club Med. It has all the sports we mentioned and more. There are also magnificent beaches to the south. Taino is one of the favorite spots. The largest town on the southern part of the island is Genyen. If you get up early, you'll be able to lend a helping hand as fishermen bring in the nets heavy with the night's catch. Then tell your tales of the ones that got away over breakfast at the pool, served by women in white. And if you enjoy coffee with breakfast, you've come to the right place. When they wrote the dictionary, they should have made Haiti the word for coffee. Coffee is the #1 export in Haiti. But guess what else comes from Haiti? That's right, baseballs. 85% of the hand-sewn baseballs in America come from Haiti. Another big hit is Haitian food. It's French. It's Creole. It's delicious. The Pension Craft is a small hotel that has been owned by the Denise family for almost a century. When she's not running a school for underprivileged children, Madame Denise can be found in the kitchen cooking from recipes handed down from generation to generation.
Our secret that we use.
The Santa Maria sank just offshore on Christmas Eve in 1492. It's hard to believe visitors now come by cruise ship or jet. One of the most exciting attractions tourists come to this country to see is way up there.
Oh, mezanmi on
That's the Citadel. It's been called the 8th wonder of the world. After the French were overthrown, King Henry Christophe had this fortress built in case they came back. It took 13 years and the efforts of 200,000 men to complete it. The view here is breathtaking. It makes you feel the fortress really is invincible. This is one of the best diving spots in the world. Under the crystal water,
I feel